Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, another episode, another video here. So I'm going to give you a quick update here. I got two cars going. My last update video, I was talking about how bad the AMT 69 Charger Daytona was, but making it into something. And I've also started the Revell 1966 Mustang Shelby GT3 or 500, something. Anyways, so let's talk about the Shelby first, and then we'll get to the Daytona. So, for Shelby, just doing a little body work on it. Needs a little sanding, putting the pieces on the side that it needs. Little front end, back end. Yeah, just painted all the parts here. That's the radiator hose. Got the dashboard there. These are the interiors are just a primer right now. Got some silver on there because I know what I'm going to do with that. It's going to be hopefully be cool. So I know what I'm doing with the silver. Do that. Got the seats glued together. Shocks going. The engine is really cool. How about that? A little Cobra engine. Let's put this over here so you can actually see it. Right here. Put the orange oil filter under. Put the Fram. I don't like Fram oil filters. Personally, so that's why I usually never put them on my model cars, because it's not something that I use. Alright, so that looks good. I got the tires ready to go. They're sitting next to my Coca-Cola vending machine with some Coke bottles on the side there. I should do a video on the vending machine there. Different video. So I got the, got a little mark. Well, they fell over. Got a little mark there on the seat there. But anyways, seats are ready to go to be painted. I actually want to sand around the edges. You know when you put the backs and the fronts together, it kind of leaves a little seam there. I want to get that up around a little bit. So, did that. And then I got the chassis going here. Nothing spectacular. You know, I got to clean off my desk here, so there's not so much crap on it. So, it focuses on the right thing. So I got the front suspension, rear suspension. The rear suspension here, the leaf stair, and the drivetrain are all one piece. Goes in very nicely, fits real nicely. They put the shocks in there. Yeah, put the exhaust mufflers in there first. So the engine's ready to go in there, and then the radiator goes somehow in there. Try to do a little detailing around the radiator there a little bit. But anyways. 66 is go. So I should probably say I'm going to do this in the Tamiya light gunmetal, which is actually that color. So that should be pretty cool, you know, if you get that color on that car. So that should be pretty cool. What's kind of cool is the interior. Then you can do any color you want. I'm going to try something stupid different with it that may look cool. All right, so that's coming along. I just started that the other day, potzing around with it. So over here with the 69 Charger, put it together. I'm a little disappointed with the seats, my painting. The black kind of didn't really, the gloss black kind of really didn't do what it wanted to do. And then in the back where I tried to do the gloss black, it didn't quite work out. I may just do a layer of quick shine floor polish on that there, on the back seats. But I got the dashboard, the interior, the armrest there. Alright, silver striping there for effect. Got the chassis all set here. There's the engine, the battery. Ooh, oh, gotta put it the other way. Yoink. Alright. Nothing spectacular. Alright, so I do have it on the lowered, because there were two holes here to put the axles in. The back is a metal axle, but for some reason it's not holding in. And for some reason this tire here just wants to kind of wonk itself around, so I'm going to have to play with that a little bit. Ooh, I super glued that. It's not moving. I'm afraid I'm going to break the peg now. So that one's going to need a little work there. All I did for the wheels was just black wash them. They're cool with the red lines. Alright, so that's going to go there. Just got to mess with those front wheels a little bit. Tires to get them straight. The body is gonna be green. It's got this cool green army green. So what happened here was, it was the A9 Royal Air Force dark green. I believe RAF stands for Royal Air Force. But I didn't have enough paint in the can to get the whole thing. So, unfortunately, there's a couple splatters. It's kind of rough, so I'm going to give it a quick sand again. Next paycheck, I'm going to go out and get another one of those to finish that up. It comes out flat because it is a military green. I guess it's for tanks, fighter jets. So it's going to need some quick shine floor polish. But I'm also thinking, because I think the green will be too much, I'm going to get a white and do the top in white, like a white vinyl top, just to kind of break it up a little bit. But other than that, that's looking really good. Now the problem I ran into here, the front end. Really cool bumper, classic styling. When you put it in, it doesn't want to fit in properly. It doesn't sit upright because the bottom bumper guards are actually hitting the bottom plastic there. So it kind of doesn't sit the bumper up properly. So I'm going to have to cut these little guards off here on the bottom and then move it upward. The whole grill upward. So that's how that's going to be. So it is what it is. But we're going to make it work. No biggie. So put all that together. That's going to look fairly good with the 66 Shelby next to it. This is all going to be good. Should mention for the Shelby, I didn't put the wheels in on the tires. I did the tire backing. I'm going to go through my spare parts box, see if I got something that might just make it pop a little bit. Just to do something different. Because it is going to be that gunmetal of that gunmetal. Look at the dust. Alright. So, there should be enough in my can for that. Can of spray paint. That was my hand. Hi. Alright, so I'm just giving you the update here. Showing you that I'm making things work. So, in a few days, I'll give you another update. And show you what's going on. I should be further along, definitely, with the Mustang. And but how the paint goes with the Charger should be alright. Alright, so that's what I got. So, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope it's good. I'll see you guys later.